fish. Oh, I'm gonna barf. No. I'm getting so seasick. No. I know. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. That's weird. Whew. Oh my god. I want to see you guys fall is what I want to see.
Got real choppy there.
Yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. Should I get my leg out of the way of this rope? Maybe? Inside of here? Sound about right? Okay. Okay. That works. Oh. Oh, I'm breaking the boat. All right.
Okay, so you stay over there.
Okay.
What I'm going to have...
Guess I probably don't have to hold on to that too much right now, huh? We're going to need all this undone all the way?
Yep.
Okay. Holy Jesus. The heck is going on here? There we go. There we go. There we go.
See, it's not that hard. just like intimidating.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, I'm guessing. I've got a pretty good idea. I'm going around this. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, so what I'll have you do is you want to have this around but clockwise.
Yeah. Okay.
Put two loops around the whole thing. There you go. And then what I'll have you do is just pull a hand over hand. No, I mean like this.
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
Like
Oh, it's just a. Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you're gonna have to go quite a bit.
Okay, cool.
When I tell you to, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Uh-oh.
Everything's messed up.
And then when you start reaching the end of the line, then I'll have you do another wrap.
Oh, okay.
And then do it over this silver thing, and then into
In
this
there.
black.
Okay, gotcha.
And just give it a yank.
So another wrap and then another one through the black.
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm going to let this thing run free. And let me untie this.
So you came in Saturday?
No, we came in
Monday. Oh, so you're just getting
we missed our connecting flight to Dallas.
All right, y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we had to wait.
Fast or
All
kind
right,
of slow?
Go for it. Fast. Ooh, it was like some excitement. There you go. Oh, wait, we're back-winded.
What?
We're back-winded, yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, there you go.
Oh my God. It's tight now.
So now give it one more loop.
Okay.
One more around. And then over that silver thing, and into the black. Then give it a yank, and it should stay there.
All right. What do we do with all this guy?
Just leave it there.
Leave it? Okay.
What's that?
So there's like a boy right there.
Holy jeez. We're leaving. How sure are you? Was it the salesman that told you that this thing wouldn't tip, or was it?
It's all tipsy.
Look, I gotta film this. They're probably freaking out. Oh!
like a roller
walking
coaster.
along the pier.
Oh man, that's not good.
Down to the pier because Ben was in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay, that's just weird. Really? Really? A sea lion
Like a
walking
sea
on the
lion
pier?
walking to the pier is not weird.
Oh, did I get it?
You got that a pretty fluffy.
I know, yeah.
Fluff.
Alright, so Brad, get
Yeah.
one of those winch handles, stick it in there, and you crank it in. Your picture, you gotta fall off.
Oh,
I'm talking to Tracy.
oh. Tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Yeah, just stay on this road. Go out further before you back. Alright, that should be good.
Okay, take this.
I'm buying coach. I'm not gonna.
Alright,
Oh yeah. This is where I needed to be. Keep it on 210, right?
210.
And watch your sails. Alright, Brad at the helm. Woo! Mama.
Yeah, see, your sail's fluffing a little bit.
Oh, I see.
That's when you fall
So somebody else can yell at you.
Mama.
Fall off more.
off. Yep.
Still doing it. There we go. That's better.
There you go. Yep. Yep, that's what you want.
Yeah,
Go. 200.
John!
what? Oh yeah, it's really easy to walk.
Here, I'll
Okay, here, so I'll just go.
Sit in.
Do-do-do-do. It's hard to keep it on 210 without the sail doing that little flapping thing.
There you go. Maybe. My nephew lady right now. He's stationed down in San Diego. Oh, is it even in there? That's kind of cool. Oh, right.
And then there's a silver bag here.
Why are you rowing? Down to the end.
Man, I don't like steering. Okay, someone else can take over. This is too much work. I'm gonna flip this thing.
No, you're not. You're good. Watch your sails. Watch your sails.
Yeah. So it's kind of hard to keep on 210 with the sail like creased.
If you need to get off of the 210 is just for general reference.
Oh,
If
okay,
you
just
need
keep
to
it around
fall
there.
off, then
Oh,
fall
okay.
off.
Man, this thing. I'm not insured on a boat, just so you know. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay. Okay, I'm going a little far off 210 now. Now I better. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, someone else can steer. I don't like this. Run! I'm gonna flip the boat.
No, let him stay on the helm.
No.
Stand by him.
No, I'm not even close to 210 anymore. It's gonna flip. Alright, so I need to get closer to 210. Let's go off a little bit at a time. Oh man. Oh.
Actually, but this close to the wind, you probably are better steering by the sail. So just,
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
Just watch the sail and
Yeah, just watch that jib, and it's nice and full now. So
yeah.
that's pretty much what you want.
Okay.
The
So kind of
210
keeping
is
this
just
a guidance.
gauge. It's not like we're going
Yeah.
anywhere.
I figure it's more important to know the one that goes back. Yeah, we're like.
So you want to stay your course, because this guy is watching you here.
Oh, okay.
You have the right of way. So
Whoops.
You don't want to be.
Yeah, watch out, dude.
Yeah, he's like,
Wow, here come your swells.
Oh no! Are you sure this thing will not tip over? Oh, so which way? Left?
Yep.
Starboard?
Disneyland. Are you guys gonna get to Disneyland?
Still, dang. Man, that thing gives you some tension though, doesn't it? Jeez. I know, I might get myself a life preserver on. Oh my god, we're so sideways. This is ridiculous. Okay, you can take it. I'm done with this thing. Oh my god, we're gonna tip! Oh my god, we're gonna tip. We're gonna tip. You can sail. We'll let you have this. We'll let him have that. I don't want nothing to do with that anymore.
I didn't get your picture.
Oh, okay, just for a picture, just real quick.
Rob, get in.
Red. Doing good.
Oh my god. Okay, you get it?
Alright, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not gonna be the one to flip the boat.
Oh my god.
No, my god, this is so close. I'm just ready to just jump. It's like, okay, here we go.
Brady's like, I'm moving.
I want to go over there too.
This is a good seat right here. Like slide both ways.
Oh man, okay. All right.
Now, if anybody starts freaking out, we can make the sounds, which will make it not.
I can see why. Who was it that said didn't like whenever he got the sails out? I can see why, yeah. God, it just feels like we're just gonna sink any minute now. I mean, we're just so sideways. Jeez. God.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, so under the top, like I said, but hold on to it. There you go. All right.
Now let go one at a time, kind of.
Now I'll tell you when to let go.
There's actually sun out there.
I know. Okay. And release. Now let it go. Let it go. Now watch that it don't get entangled. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Oh man, I didn't get that.
I'm diving over the other side.
No, I was doing the cheat.
He's up here sheeting.
Yeah, I'm here sheeting my pants. Oh.
Sorry. Yeah, try going downstairs for a minute while it's doing this.
Yeah, I didn't get that one. I was facing the wrong way.
You think we should reef the lines?
I can see why whenever she said that. I don't like it when he gets those sails out. I'm like, why would he not get the sails out? Gosh, this thing is just sideways most of the time.
It's flapping a little bit.
Very good.
That's the only thing I know.
Yeah. And you just steer some way. You just steer some direction then. I don't really know. All I know is I wasn't going to be the one to drive the boat in the bottom of the ocean.
Well, we can take the pressure off by letting the main out. The main out. The main sheet out.
Or reefing them.
That's too much work.
Reefing's the way to do it. That's not.
The easy way, just ease the main a little. Not so tight.
Alright.
This is like, man. Rob's going to go. Rob's gonna go. Look, I'm like standing sideways. Whoa.
Well, you can do that too.
Come on. Yep. Oh yeah.
Where are you going?
What? Oh yeah. Don't worry about that. Yep. John's about to lose his phone. Watch. Yep, he's gonna drop it. He's trying to take a picture of you. Taking a picture of you, me. Woo. He's trying to dunk me.